Here's a secret you might not know, and the final secret that will really surprise you. When you talk about the H brand, it has a huge fan base in Malaysia, right? But you know what's not so great? When you're cruising in this car, sometimes those tire and wind noises can get pretty loud when you hit the gas. Those who love Honda cars, they're all about that sweet exhaust and engine sound. Here's the first secret to truly enjoying driving this car on the road. Solve those annoying tire and wind noises in the cabin. And the most effective way to do that? Install soundproofing in your car. It'll completely transform your driving experience. Many people misunderstand. They think installing soundproofing will make their car completely silent. You need to understand that soundproofing doesn't eliminate all noise, but it can significantly reduce noise levels, providing a more comfortable driving experience. And it's crucial to ensure that the soundproofing materials you choose are top-notch. At our shop, we'll be using the finest materials from Dr. Artex and AutoFun, complete with a 10-year and 5-year warranty, respectively. So you don't have to worry about the materials getting damaged. Here's how we're starting. We're installing top-quality soundproofing materials on the wheel arch covers of this car. This step is crucial for minimizing the loud tire noise you might encounter while driving. Thanks to its ability to effectively absorb vibration noise, we're using the AutoFun M3 vibration damper for this application. Next, on the underwiper section, we install the AutoFun M2 vibration damper. This helps to absorb engine vibration noise and prevents heat from entering the car's cabin, ensuring a quieter and cooler driving experience. In the door section, we use Vibration M3 on the inner section of door to significantly reduce external noise and vibrations. Applying this vibration damper is crucial for absorbing the primary vibrations at the door. Moving to the middle metal section, we apply a second layer of vibration damper AutoFun M2. This layer effectively blocks external noise and vibrations from entering the car cabin, ensuring a quieter ride. Lastly, on the door panel, we employ Noise Absorber BP10 to eliminate various noises, vibrations, traffic sounds, tire noise, and even wire interference within the panel itself. And lastly, in the car's rubber hose section, there are gaps that can allow wind to enter while driving. These minor noises can be quite distracting for drivers, especially at higher speeds. That's why we recommend using the Red Wind rubber tube from Dr. Artex to complete our soundproofing solution for the door. By installing this rubber tube on the car's rubber hoses, it tightens the door seals, effectively blocking wind noise from entering the car cabin and ensuring a quieter, more enjoyable driving experience. Did you know that the floor area is the largest surface that absorbs noise into your car cabin? It effectively dampens a significant amount of vibration noise from entering. For the front floor section, we use the Dr. Artex Quattro vibration damper. Moving to the rear floor, we apply the AutoFun M3 vibration damper. As a second layer, our noise insulator is designed to absorb high-frequency noise above 500 Hz. Specifically, we apply the Dr. Artex Vibro Barrier 7 Plus for the front floor, while the rear floor benefits from the Element Insulon noise insulator. Installing a vibration damper in the trunk area is crucial for absorbing noise from the car's exhaust system and the empty space around the spare tire. Here, we use the AutoFun M3 vibration damper as the first layer. For the second layer, we apply the Element Insulon noise insulator, specifically designed to absorb high-frequency noise above 500 Hz. In the bonnet area, we use the M3 vibration damper to effectively absorb vibrations and reduce noise. This ensures a quieter and smoother driving experience by minimizing the sound from the engine compartment. And the final solution is in the roof area of your car, where we use two materials: M3 vibration damper to absorb noise from vibrations during rain and give the roof a more solid feel, and Element Insulon noise insulator to prevent external noise and heat from entering the car cabin. The results you'll experience after installing this soundproofing will be our biggest secret that will leave you mind blown. Here you can see the difference before and after the soundproofing installation. It's proven that you'll feel much more comfortable and enjoy a smoother drive in your Honda. So, don't wait any longer. Come to our shop and book your slot today.
Visit Premio Malaysia for more info.